Okay, you're most welcome in our lesson for today. It is a very interesting lesson. It is about finding the area of a rectangle. Finding the area of a rectangle. This is our lesson for today. And our example 1 is showing this, that find the area of the shape below. I told you the shape is a rectangle, right? Remember, do not mistake the area to be perimeter. Perimeter is where you only pass from outside. This could be a shape, could be a piece of land, but you only pass outside. That is perimeter. But for area, you make sure you cover everything here. Okay? You measure everything that is needed here. The total space occupied by a shape or something, an object, right? So the total area that you're going to find is go through this kind of formula. To find what has been occupied by this shape, we can only use multiplication by saying area equals to what is the length of the rectangle? The length is 5 centimeters. And what is the width? The width is 3 centimeters. Very good. Therefore, area equals to length times width. The second step here, we are representing length. I told you it is 5 centimeters. Therefore, it is 5 centimeters times the width. The width is 3 centimeters. Therefore, you come and multiply. You can either recite table 5 or you recite table 3. The two tables can give you very correct answer. If you recite table 3, you are going to get 3 times 5. And 3 times 5 will give you 15 centimeters squared. Why are we squaring? Because we have multiplied 2 centimeters here. We multiplied this one and this one. And you cannot get the total after multiplying this and the other one in maybe 3 centimeters. No, you only have the same thing and it shows the number of times you have got it. Right? So that is why we bring as centimeters squared, representing the 2 centimeters that we have multiplied. And that is the end of that explanation. You will only underline your answer. And that is the end to what the question is telling you to do. Finding the area of the rectangle. This is the way you get it. And this has been example number 1. Can we move ahead and look at example number 2? Example number 2 is here. It is saying, find the area of a rectangle whose length is 12 centimeters and width is 4 centimeters. Alright? Now this time there is no shape being drawn. We do not have any shape here. Now if there is no shape here, what do? We can interpret the question and bring the rectangle closer to us by drawing it. And we represent, this time we draw it ourselves. They are not drawing it for us, but we are going to draw it so that the question can be easily interpreted. They say a rectangle, you can just draw something small to interpret what? To interpret the question. Yes? So they say a rectangle whose length is 12. So this side is the length. Okay? So the length is 12 centimeters. Have you seen it? Then the width is 4 centimeters. Therefore, you see, so this one becomes like the first one. If you interpreted the question in this form by drawing, you first draw, then again you bring the question closer to you. So when it's like this, you now begin calculating. We have said area equals to length times width. Alright? So length times width will represent length is 12 centimeters Then width is 4 centimeters. Okay? Then what is 12 times 4? Somebody may fail to do it. Therefore, you can rule aside where you're working from and multiply. 12 multiplied by 4. 12 multiplied by 4. You simplify. What is 4 times 2? 4 times 2 is 8. 8. Then what about 4 times 1? 4 times 1 is 4. So it is 48. Meaning our answer is 48 centimeters squared. You have multiplied 2 centimeters. Then you do what? Underline your answer. Underline your answer in that form. That one will mark the end of your finding the area of a rectangle. Okay? So, in case you need to find the area of a rectangle, these two methods will always guide you to get. Are we there? Where you need to inquire more, I will always refer you to my contact, telephone contact, and the email. Okay? Telephone contact and the email. It is there. And I want you to stay watching, waiting for the area of a square, which we are going to also do it right now. So please keep on watching.